All right, in this question, I think you're going to have to use quadratic equations to solve. So they say they have a garden, dimensions of 21 by 9. So let me draw that. Okay, 21 by 9. And then they want to put a path around it. Okay, of equal width. And then they say, how wide can the path be if there's only enough gravel for 400 square feet? So this piece in here is 400 square feet. Now, inside there, it's 9 times 21, so I think that's, what would that be? 21 times 9, 189. So inside there's 189, but I'm wanting to know what I want to get this, so that area is 400. It's probably a little bit bigger than I've drawn there, but so I've got to figure that out. Now, I know the distance from here to here is 21, but from the edge of the garden to the edge of the path, I don't know that distance. So I can call that x. Over here, same thing, that would be an x. So really the total distance from there to there is 21 plus a couple of x's. Using the same idea, from there to there would be 9 plus a couple x's. Okay, so that actually is the measurement, let me do it in yellow, of this triangle or rectangle. Right, so that's the length, this is the width. I know the area of any rectangle is length times width. So my length is 21 plus 2x. My width is 9 plus 2x. And this equal to, now here it's a tough part because it's the whole area, like this whole thing. That's what this A is. But I can figure that out because they say they've got 400 square feet of gravel. Plus, I know inside there, if the garden is 9 by 21, that its area is 189. Is that right? Yeah, they say it right. So altogether, this is 589. That's that area of yellow. And then there's my dimensions there. So if I multiply it out, 21 times 9, 189 plus 42x, I'm just foiling, plus 18x equals 4x squared. I get an equation and I can solve for x. And x is going to be how wide the path is. Okay, let's bring this to this side and subtract. So that'd be negative 400, I think. These two added together are 50. Oh no, 60. 60x plus 4x squared. Let's rewrite that in the proper order. Notice I'm making it equal to 0 because I have a quadratic. So 4x squared plus 60x minus 400 equals 0. They're all divisible by 4, so let's do that. Divide everything by 4, x squared plus 15x minus 100. I think that's right. Okay, and now factor. So I need two numbers that multiply to 100 and add to 15. 10 and 10, or have a difference of 15. Should be a difference of 15 because that's minus. Yeah, it doesn't work. 50 times 2, no. 25 times 4, no. 20 and 5, oh, that's it right there. So I'm going to put a plus 20 here and a minus 5 equals 0. Using the 0 property, either x plus 20 is 0 or x minus 5 is 0. So in this case, you get a minus 20. In this case, you get a 5. Since a distance on a rectangle like garden isn't going to be a negative sign, I would say that the width of that path has got to be 5. And you can test that too, just with our original question. So if we say that x is 5, so that would be 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus 21 is 31. And then put a 5 in here. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 9 is 19. So if I multiply these two numbers together, they better give me that number. So 31 times 19, 9, 27, 1, that'd be 3, add 5, 80, 9, same number. Therefore, my width of being 5 is correct. Hopefully that helps you with that question. Having said that, I won't ask you that question on the test.